In a significant development for the Russian military, the Russian Ministry of Defense has revealed an upgraded version of its formidable Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system, MLRS, one of the most powerful and advanced artillery systems in the world today. As Russia continues to modernize its armed forces, the Tornado-S serves as a key part of its artillery arsenal, capable of delivering devastating firepower to both traditional and non-traditional battlefields. This latest upgrade reflects not only technological advancements but also the evolving needs of modern warfare. The evolution of the Tornado-S. The Tornado-S is the latest iteration of the BM-11 Smersh MLRS, which itself was a powerful and game-changing weapon when it was first introduced. The Smersh, which means tornado in Russian, first entered service the Soviet military in the 1980s and has seen extensive use in numerous conflicts, including the Chechen Wars and operations in the Middle East. Over the years, the Smersh system has been modernized to maintain its edge on the battlefield, but it was the introduction of the Tornados in the mid-2010s that took this artillery platform to a new level of effectiveness. The Tornados combines the legacy of the Smersh with cutting-edge technology, allowing the Russian military to unleash rapid, precise, and lethal firepower over extended ranges. The new upgrade version builds on the solid foundation of the Tornado-S and brings even greater capabilities. New features and capabilities of the Tornados upgrade. The upgraded Tornados marks a significant leap forward in terms of firepower, accuracy, and versatility. While retaining many of the fundamental elements of the original system, the modernized version introduces key improvements that reflect advancements in missile technology, guidance systems, automation, and mobility. One, increased range and precision. The most noticeable change with the upgrade is the increase in range. The original Tornado-S had a maximum range of 120 kilometers, which itself was a substantial improvement over the earlier Smersh system's 90-kilometer range. The new upgrade pushes that range even further, extending its capability to target positions up to 150 kilometers away. This expanded range makes the Tornado-S even more effective in deep strike missions, providing support far beyond the front line where traditional artillery systems would be ineffective. Equally important is the precision of the new system. The Tornado-S has always been capable of launching guided rockets, but with the latest upgrade, the system's GLONASS navigation systems have been enhanced to achieve greater accuracy. These improvements allow the Tornado-S to strike individual targets with pinpoint precision, which is especially useful for eliminating high-value targets such as command centers, radar installations, and artillery positions deep behind enemy lines. This precision also helps reduce collateral damage, a crucial factor in modern warfare where minimizing civilian casualties is a priority. Two, new rocket types and payloads. One of the most significant improvements in the upgraded Tornado-S is its compatibility with a wider variety of rockets. While the previous versions could launch 300mm rockets with cluster warheads or conventional munitions, the new system is now capable of firing advanced guided munitions, GMs, and precision-guided rockets. These new rockets can be equipped with a variety of warheads, including high-explosive, anti-personnel, anti-tank, and cluster munitions, allowing the Tornados to tackle a wide range of target types and military scenarios. The versatility in rocket selection is one of the key features of the upgrade. The new precision-guided munitions can deliver surgical strikes against targets as small as armored vehicles or fortified positions with high levels of accuracy. Additionally, the cluster munitions provide the system with an area effect capability that can destroy large concentrations of enemy troops or equipment in a single salvo. The system's payload options also include chemical and biological weapon delivery, though these are more restricted and generally fall under the purview of specialized military protocols. Such capabilities, however, add to the overall flexibility of the Tornados on the battlefield. Three, automation and fire control system. A crucial upgrade to the Tornado S is its fire control and automation system. The new system features a fully automated launch mechanism that allows the system to be operated with minimal human intervention. The automated systems can rapidly calculate target coordinates, select the appropriate type of rocket, and launch a full salvo of 12 rockets in under 30 seconds. This speed is crucial for achieving surprise attacks, overwhelming enemy defenses, and minimizing the risk of retaliation. The new fire control system also improves the system's integration into network-centric warfare environments. The Tornado S can now exchange real-time data with other systems on the battlefield, including reconnaissance drones, artillery observers, and command centers, to improve targeting accuracy and enhance battlefield coordination. This level of connectivity ensures that the Tornado S can act as part of a larger artillery network, allowing commanders to plan and execute more precise and effective operations. Four, enhanced mobility and deployment. The upgraded Tornado S retains its mobility on a MAZ 79,100D oven chassis, a rugged, off-road vehicle that allows for rapid deployment and relocation of the system. The new version has improved mobility, allowing it to be repositioned more quickly and with greater ease in changing battlefield conditions. The system can now be deployed faster than ever before, providing a more dynamic response to enemy movements. In addition to this, the reloading process has been streamlined. The Tornado S can now be reloaded in significantly less time, which means the system can launch multiple salvos in quick succession without suffering extended downtime. This improvement is critical for maintaining momentum in combat situations, especially in the face of aggressive counter-battery fire from the enemy. Five, advanced protective measures. As part of the upgrade, the Tornado S has received improved protective measures against enemy countermeasures. These include enhanced electronic countermeasures, ECMM, systems to disrupt enemy radar, communications, and targeting systems, as well as stronger armor for the vehicle to withstand shrapnel and small arms fire. This makes the Tornados more resilient to attacks and better able to continue operations in hostile environments. The strategic importance of the Tornado S upgrade. The introduction of the upgraded Tornado S is not just a technological advancement, it is a strategic asset that reflects Russia's growing focus on long-range precision fires. In modern warfare, the ability to project power over long distances with high accuracy is crucial. The Tornado S can now strike targets well behind enemy lines, taking out key infrastructure, artillery positions, and logistical hubs, often before the enemy even realizes it is under attack. The Tornado S upgrade is part of Russia's broader effort to modernize its military forces and prepare for a more technologically advanced future of warfare. By incorporating cutting-edge guidance systems, automation, and a wider array of munitions, the Tornado S ensures that the Russian military can maintain an edge in both conventional and hybrid warfare scenarios. The system's ability to operate within a network battlefield environment also strengthens Russia's integrated fire support capabilities, a critical component of its military doctrine. Moreover, the upgraded Tornado-S enhances Russia's strategic deterrence capabilities, allowing it to project power over vast distances. In an era of increasingly complex and interconnected global conflict, the ability to strike with pinpoint precision and overwhelming force is an invaluable asset. The newly revealed upgrade of the Tornado-S multiple rocket launcher system solidifies its position as one of the most formidable artillery platforms in the world. With its extended range, improved precision, new munitions capabilities, enhanced automation, and mobility, the Tornado-S is now a more lethal, versatile, and adaptive weapon system than ever before. In the coming years, the Tornado-S is expected to play a central role in Russia's artillery strategy, enabling the Russian military to dominate in long-range fire support and contribute to achieving battlefield superiority in a variety of operational scenarios. As global military forces increasingly rely on advanced technologies and precision strikes, the Tornado-S upgrade exemplifies the next step in the evolution of modern artillery systems. Russia's unveiling of this cutting-edge MLRS marks another milestone in its ongoing effort to modernize its military capabilities. With its impressive array of features, the upgraded Tornado-S is set to be a key player in shaping the future of warfare on the global stage.